TGO traders, welcome to Thursday's market SITREP here at Top Gun Options, and really seeing an interesting move in the market this morning. It seems that good news is bad news once again, or not once again, but weekly unemployment claims, huge drop, which is actually obviously pretty good news. Final GDP, better than the last print, but a little less than expected. But look at this, pending home sales. That is the biggest drop in 8 months or 3 years. We're at 8-month lows, but it's the biggest plunge in 3 years. So for all the housing is going to drive us out of this economic Vietnam we've been running around with, there's some cold water on the market. So home sales, big drag on the market today, but a little bit of a rebound on the GDP and the weekly jobless claims. So we were doing a lot worse this morning, but kind of seeing a little bit of a recovery here. But as we've talked about repeatedly here in my sit reps, we're going to be trading in a range here. We're going to be trading in a tight range until I think we get to Q1 earnings season, or we see some sort of big world event. Okay, the market's really starting to realize that the Fed is going to leave, interest rates are going to rise eventually, and that we're going to have to stand on our own. So my TGO traders know that I call this what we're going to be trading in right now kind of the square root. Okay, so you can draw that right here. Kind of looks like the Starship Enterprise, but we're going to do a square root here, and we're going to be moving sideways for a little bit. I think we hold this 1850 level on the S&P has kind of been a battle line of late. If we hold this, we will move sideways. If we blow through 1850 with any sort of airspeed, we're going to be in trouble. Now, tomorrow on the economic flight schedule, not too much going on. We'll get some inflation numbers and also personal spending, personal income, and University of Michigan consumer sentiment revised. So I think through tomorrow, we just kind of trade in a little bit of a range. We got some weekly options trades going on that are looking pretty good with an Apple Iron Condor and an SPX Iron Condor. However, Goog, we have a position Goog. I mean, look at the past couple days with Goog getting ripped apart on some Facebook stuff, some Apple. I mean, look at this plunge one day, yesterday. Look at that, 40, 60-point plunge in, oops, that's the SPX. Let's take a look at Goog here. I wonder why that didn't look like that. Now we'll look at the 3 days in Goog. It just absolutely fell off a cliff, and now it's kind of bouncing off this trampoline here. I would be getting long Goog right now. That's a ridiculous move out of Google. My traders know that I think that these round number levels, the 1100, 1200 levels, are magnets. So I think it's getting drawn down to this 1100 level for absolutely no reason, and we're going to see a rebound back up here. 14 in 2014 is my mantra with Google. I think it's a $1,400 stock by the end of the year, so I'd be using this pullback as an opportunity to get long on Goog easily. We have about 5 spots left in our options arsenal program. So go to topgunoptions.com/arsenal, and you can have a $95 1-month trial into our live trading service, our primary live trade brief, and our urgent alert service, okay? Even if you work, hey, Wiz, I can't make an hour and a half, 2-hour live trading session, doesn't matter. Everything's recorded, and I blast out emails and SMS alerts immediately during those live trading sessions whenever I place a new trade, update an existing trade, close, whatever it is. So I think we have four or five slots left. And if you go to this page and this is grayed out or it says closed, then you missed out. We're not doing this again. I'm not a big 30-day test flight guy. That is way too long, in my opinion. 2 weeks is too long. For a test flight here at Top Gun Options. If you can't decide in a week based on all the live trading and trades that we place and the performance, then you probably shouldn't be trading. So this, I'm trying it out because my marketing department said it might be, quote, a good idea, and I've changed my mind. So we'll get our 50 traders, and then this will be the last time we're going to do something like this. So if there's any doubt, there's no doubt. Get on board. Go to topgunoptions.com/arsenal, and you can get access to a lot of our model portfolios here at Top Gun Options. All right, I got to run. Actually, doing a hedge fund presentation here in Boca Raton, Florida, with my partner Todd Butterfield, Black Bay Fund Management, launching our hedge fund, raising assets right now, and we should be start trading on May 1st or April 1st. Where are we? April, March, what the first coming up? How about that? This shows you where my mind is. I got to get ready for this big presentation. So happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll be back with Friday's market wrap up over at Wealth Creation Investing. We'll see you.